Hiya! So I thought I'd quickly jump on, just got my lasagna in the oven and just give a little update, but I also thought it might be quite nice to do a little pregnancy test because I am 8 days past ovulation today. I am pretty much 100% sure it's a negative. I don't feel pregnant, I'm getting all my usual stuff, so before I sort of come on my period, you know, that bit in between. Sorry, it's just off camera. I will pop that in there, and sort of by the end of the video, once I finish talking, I should be able to have a look and see, because you always see these people and hear of these people that like don't know that they're pregnant before they take a test, but the last couple of times I've like known before I've looked at the test results. So okay, so it's just going, where is it? Going across there. So you never know. It might happen where I don't feel any symptoms at all and I end up being pregnant. So yeah, 8 days past today. My last pregnancy I found out on, was it 8 days? Yeah, I saw a very faint, which I wasn't sure about on 7, but for 8 days there was quite a good positive. And with Felix it was 9 days past ovulation, and the first miscarriage that I had, I think it was like 10 or 11 days, so that took a bit longer. Okay, so yeah, I went to the doctors and my blood were all fine apart from some hormone levels, which was really good. That's really like great to know. Yeah, so that was good. But my iron was very, very low, she said, or very low. I was at a 10, and I think 10 and under like requires not treatment, not full-on treatment, but she's given me some tablets to take. Okay, just a minute, because I need to. No. What do you want me to do?
Just put it in his hand.
Put it in his hand.
But the hat goes in his head. Lost all of the pieces.
Oh no. Right, go and help him find it then.
I'm not building it.
Okay. So, what was I saying? So yeah, they've given me some quite strong tablets. But I have, when Felix was probably a couple of months old, I had a blood test because I was having some issues after delivery and stuff. And my iron came back really low at that point. I don't know what the levels were, but they sent me for an infusion, which is where you spend like, I don't know, 5 or 6 hours in the hospital, and they hook you up and it goes straight into your body, straight into your blood, I think, because it was really low. So since then I've always taken like vitamins with iron in them, and I've also been taking the liquid iron sachets. So I was a little bit surprised because I thought I was keeping on top of it. So I may have some absorption issues because I had my bowel taken out because of Crohn's disease just over 10 years, 11 years ago. So I don't absorb B12. So maybe it's like, maybe I've got issues with that, but I can look at that going forward. She didn't mention it, but I did some research when I got back about if there are any link to low iron and miscarriage. And I saw like a study that they'd looked at miscarriages and they'd found that they were more likely to have lower iron count or something, but they couldn't put it to a cause. It's not going well. Okay, there we go. We've got Lego here.
What is that? Is it your wee-wee?
It might be. Yeah, there we go. Sorry. So.
It looks like this way.
Yeah, okay, go show Finley.
No, but
Oh, you want me to do it that way? Did I do it? Don't rock the table.
Why?
Okay. So yeah. Here we go.
This one.
So that's it really. The next step is for Jamie to have his sperm tested, so he's very excited about that. So we're waiting for a letter for that to be organised, and then after that she said that we should be potentially referred to the local fertility clinic. But yeah, generally I'm feeling still quite positive, frustrated that we're still in this situation where we're not yet, but yeah, it was good to know that my hormone levels were good. Oh, I looked, so I was going to show you guys first, but like nothing at all. I don't think so anyway. I was with these cheap ones, sometimes I always think I see something, but like I'm 90% sure there's definitely nothing there. So where do I put that? There. So yeah, no, just as I suspected. So yeah, on to the next month, but okay, cheers, bye.